The secret to making a powerful drop that slaps you around the face can be found in a movie from 2014. Take a listen to this drop. The reason why it sounds intentional and powerful is nothing to do with mixing or sound design, it's because of something I call air locking. I call it this because it reminds me of one scene in Interstellar. Spoiler warning if you haven't seen this movie. It's the scene where Matt Damon is trying to dock with the ship. You know it's not going to end well. The tension builds, pulls back, teases you, and then boom, the airlock explodes. The music cuts to silence, the tension ruptures. It's visceral. It feels wrong, but also inevitable. Think of all the drops in dance music that take your breath away. They have this same unpredictable tension building and then rupture. So by airlocking, I don't mean hard cutting to silence. It's the act of growing expectation for something to continue or resolve, then suddenly breaking that expectation. So let's look at this example again through this new lens. As I play this, notice how you expect it to develop in a certain way, but then I switch to a drop that flips that expectation on its head. It feels thematically different, but at the same time inevitable. Another thing you can do, instead of switching the identity of the track from build to drop, you can just flip the same setup on its head. So here I've got a build, and then when it drops I change the rhythm. So you can use the exact same parts but flip them to something unexpected. Now, airlocking can also be subtle. Take any sound that opens out and has a decay or a tail. It could be a riser, reverb, delay, a pad, synth release, whatever. Or if it's several sounds, you can group them all to one group track. Then load a gain plugin. Ableton Live users can get my free volume tool to do this super fast. I'll put a download link in the description. Then you use basic volume automation to hard cut the decay and cleanly release that tension before the drop hits. Now, I said airlocking doesn't have to mean silence, but when you do want to use an actual gap of silence right before the drop, just a fraction of nothing will release pressure just enough for the reveal to hit harder. But once you know how to manipulate expectation like this, how do you keep that energy flowing properly all the way through the track? Well, watch this video to find out. And for more track finishing tips that I don't share in videos, sign up to my free newsletter, link below.